Hi, it's Becky again, and today I'm here to talk about the guava tree. And we have one here at our house. I'm going to unveil it because it's really hot out where we live, and we try to keep it shaded because it's a really delicate tropical tree and we're out in the middle of the Sonoran Desert. But I just wanted to talk about the guava fruit and how healthy it is for us. Ours are still kind of little right now, but they don't really get too big out here. But the guava fruit is great for cholesterol, for leveling out blood sugar, and something that I'm really finding out lately is that it's been known to be an antiviral. So I was speaking to a loved one of mine who lives in Mexico, and she's actually been a nurse for many years, all her career. And she said that what doctors are recommending to them in Mexico, because they can't get a hold of other drugs for the current virus, is that they do a preventative tea made of guava leaves. So the recipe that she gave me was 6 leaves of guava to 1 liter of boiling water. Let it boil for 10 minutes and then let it steep, and drink about 2 or 3 cups of that a day. So I've been drinking guava tea for a little bit now. So you can add raw honey to it, you can add stevia, whatever healthy sweetener that you choose. I don't recommend using the processed or artificial sugars like Splenda, Fruvia, those kinds of things, because they actually are chemical laden and they actually can cause more harm than actually just using a regular sweetener. So anyways, this is the guava leaf. And you get about 6 of those for every liter of water. Again, boil it for about 10 minutes with the leaves and then let it steep. I usually let my teas steep at least 20 minutes, and sometimes I'll let them go up to a couple hours, just depending. And drink about 2 or 3 cups of that a day and enjoy it. The guava fruit, if you're not used to tropical fruits, it's going to be more of a tangy taste. It's not super sweet, but it's really delicious and refreshing. So if you have a guava tree in your yard, go get some leaves and make some tea. I know you can order these leaves online, and sometimes you can find them in the Hispanic markets and maybe even in the Asian markets for guava. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a few leaves and then we'll go inside and make a really easy tea. And I'll break open the guava and let you see what it looks like on the inside. In the Hispanic markets and maybe even in the